Hello dear viewers, myself Zishan Ahmed. Welcome to our YouTube channel Medical Core. Dear viewers, today we will discuss a very important thing that mostly happen in labs, and that is the EDTA contamination in the labs. Now, what is EDTA contamination? Why it matters? And how we can spot EDTA contamination in the labs? So let's move to the topic. EDTA contamination is the unintended presence of EDTA in samples, reagents, or instruments where it should not be. It can be a significant issue in the molecular in biochemistry labs. Why it matters? So, reporting of high potassium will trigger unnecessary clinical escalation in treatment, which is mainly due to the tube errors or EDTA contaminations. Now, someone want to spot EDTA contamination, what he or she will do? So, there is a number of points you should keep in mind. The first one is you should keep in mind that if there is high potassium or low calcium and magnesium. The second point that you should keep in mind is if there is alkaline phosphatase dropout or not. The third one is review the order of draw in sampling handling. So all these points will tell you whether it is EDTA contamination or not. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like and share the video.